In this video, I will be showing you guys how to get NFL Network. Let's get started. NFL Network is the league's official channel. You get live preseason games, Thursday night football, NFL Total Access, Good Morning Football, and exclusive NFL programming. You can get NFL Network through cable, satellite, or streaming services including YouTube TV included in the base plan, Fubo TV included in the base plan, Sling TV Blue included in the base plan, Hulu Plus Live TV with certain sports add-ons, cable and satellite providers like Xfinity, Spectrum, Dish, and DirecTV. If you already have one of these services, make sure your plan includes NFL Network. If not, you can upgrade or switch to a plan that does. Once you have NFL Network, you can watch on your TV, phone, tablet, or computer. You can also download the NFL app and sign in with your provider to stream on the go. And that's how you get NFL Network. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.